A lack of self-esteem can have a serious impact on relationships, both romantic and platonic. People who lack confidence are more likely to struggle with communication and expressing their needs and desires. This often causes misunderstandings and conflicts. Furthermore, they may avoid social situations or feel uncomfortable around others, limiting their ability to form meaningful connections. When it comes to romantic relationships, individuals lacking self-confidence often have difficulty initiating or deepening their intimate relationships. This can lead to loneliness and isolation, further exacerbating the low self-esteem issue. Additionally, those who lack self-confidence may be more prone to jealousy and possessiveness, creating tension in the relationship. The effects of low self-esteem not only take a toll on existing relationships, but also on forming new relationships as well. Those with low self-esteem tend to doubt themselves and worry about what other people think of them. This often prevents them from entering into conversations or making connections with potential partners or friends. Furthermore, due to their anxiety, individuals with low self-confidence are more likely to experience rejection because of their hesitance or inability to open up, even after getting over the initial fear of approaching someone new. Embracing the idea of being broken can be a disaster in relationships.